Welcome to UK. Welcome back after 8.5 years. Nandito na naman siya.
How you doing, Mumay?
Picture na tayo. Sundo si Manong. May bisita kami galing Canada. Ang aking chef ay namamalengke. Mga guys, siya ang magluluto ng spaghetti. Pababa at bucatini yan. Tsaka menudo para kay Daddy Steve. Looking for raisins. Okay, where is it then? Sama yung mga flour daw. Ito yung mga flour. Dried raisins. Somewhere.
Self-checkout.
Hindi namin mahanap yung raisins. Lulutuin mo, chef? Anong lulutuin mo?
I'm gonna cook menudo fusion with the compound Dutch and a bit of Spanish. So I'll be cooking the menudo with sweet potato, mixed with potato and carrots, and then usually I'm cooking with raisins, but different kind of raisins, so it's not a substitute like tangerine.
Okay.
And then I'll be cooking
Exciting. Interesting.
bucatini spaghetti as well with ground pork and potato, chocolate potato, something very simple.
Yeah, and we'll make some ice cream as well later.
And then some cases with a bit of something special.
Ooh. Something to look forward to.
We're making Filipino asin.
Yes. Mango flavor.
Mango flavor or maybe
Chocolate.
some with chocolate.
Okay, thank you.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Ayan na po. Ang pagluluto. Ayan, tinuruan ako ni Bestie Nile gumawa ng ice candy. Ito ay mango flavor. Okay. I-blender lang namin. Tapos ngayon, nilagyan ng sugar, tsaka milk. Then, blender mo lang with a chop mango. And then, may binili siyang ganito na lagayan ng ano tawag dito?
Ice candy. Ice candy
Canada,
plastic.
Ice candy plastic bag. So, ngayon, i-add pa namin. Patali lang natin sa mga marunong ng ice candy dyan. Nagawa ko. Pinadyo naman nagluluto na nga. Niluto. Marami pa pa. Magninong. Kumakain ng magninong.
Mixed pasta. Now I know that this is true. It's true love that I have found. I pray that you live.
Okay.
Waters of grace. Sometimes you cannot wait that way. But the cheapest way.
Bigyan na mga guys, mga burns. Sabi namin si Nigel, siya ang aming official photographer. Inassign natin siyang official photographer today. Good luck to us.
Give me an H.
Give me an A.
Give me an E.
Give me a J, J-O-P-S-O-P.
Akala ko ba yung UAIP intramural?
Oo. Ating bisita from Canada. Manunod siya ng aming walking cricket tournament, which is our first time. Kaya very lucky. Makikita niya aming mga pagkakalat. For hours. Kaya binaunan ko na siya ng kanyang cinnamon tea at saka sausage roll at saka cereal bar na dala. Medyo beyond driver. Kami Malvern salad. So see you later. Yeah, dito kami ngayon sa Malvern. Atin kami ng walking cricket. Register pa tayo, di ba? Re-register pa tayo. I think so. Good luck to us. Good luck to us.
Sorry.
Huh? Good luck, Alan. Go, Alan. Wow, that's good. Oh God, what's that called? Ah, very good, isn't it? Yang ka. Yeah. That's beautiful. Look at this. This is Malvern College Indoor Walking Cricket Festival Tournament. Yeah. Oh, very nice. Dito sila. Kami. Andiyan na si Simon. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Nige. Ayan. Si Simon, wala pa nga si Simon eh. Hindi.
Okay. Hindi, I have 59% anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's going to come in so he gives the ball to first lines.
If you hit it, run, they throw it, and it hits any ball, it's just one run. So once it's hit a ball, it's still just one.
Kami ngayon sa Malvern College. We're watching cricket. It's a tournament. And we're part of it. Hereford Cricket. Come on, Hereford.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
I'll get home and have like 3 and then I'll like that. See you later.
Congratulations with celebration. Congratulations, we're celebrating. Yay, the winner of this match. Yay, well done, boys, girls. Well done, Mark. Loads of catch, Mark. Nice catch. Congratulations. Celebration.
Suddenly look down and he
Well done. First victory. Well done. Well done. Well done, all of you. At least we got a good beer tonight.
Thank you very much for coming today, everyone. I thought it was a great day
sorry.
for walking cricket, and there was a lot of results that were positive. 2 teams both won 3 games. Thank you very much, everybody.
Well done, guys. The Dudley winners.
Okay. Okay.